What's up, everyone? It's your girl Jossie, aka JRenee, back at it again with another video. Or should I say, buongiorno, salve, ciao? You know what they be saying in Italy, because that's where we're going. We going to Italy, baby, and we about to get into it. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're just meeting me, welcome. My name is Jocelyn, aka JRenee, from Baltimore, Maryland. And on my channel, we do a lot of sewing tutorials, DIYs, crafts, get dressed with me, get ready with me, all that good stuff. And it's a really interesting time to meet me now because we're moving to Italy. Not going, but moving, right? And so there's gonna be a lot of changes. I want you to pound that subscribe button just like that and triple tap this like just like that because I know you're gonna like and I know you're gonna love this video. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. So, just a few questions before we start. Yes, I'm going to Italy. No, I haven't been there before. I've never even been to Europe. Is that a real place? I don't even know. We're gonna see when we get there. Are you excited? Absolutely. Why wouldn't I be like, what? Okay, now that we got all those questions out the way, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just kidding. So this is a really big chapter for me, and I'm going to Italy for school. Just a little backstory. If we want to rewind, out of high school, I went to community college, Baltimore City Community College, to get my associates in fashion design. After 2 years, I transferred to Bowie State University, where I got my bachelor's in visual communications and digital media arts with a concentration in fashion design. And now I will be moving to Italy so I can study at the Ferrari Fashion School to study fashion design and creative direction. So I know a little thing or two about, sewing, making a shirt or something. I don't know. You can watch my videos. I make stuff. Fashion, it's just what I do. Like, it's not even just the fashion part. It's the construction, the knowing, the fabrics, the process, the all of that. Like, when you're passionate about something, you wanna keep doing it, right? And so one thing about me is I love school. If I'm not gonna find a job, I'm gonna find a school to go to. Okay, period. And I just realized that I'm from Maryland. Like, there's no real fashion outlet here for me. The closest is New York, and New York is cool, but New York's expensive. Milan's cool, Milan's expensive, but I'd rather go there than New York, so I've been there a few times, and I can always come back. You know what I mean? So a little bit about my school and the process of getting in. So like I said, I'm going to the Ferrari Fashion School in Milan, Italy. It's basically like a trade school. It's not a university, but they partner with the university to give the degrees. But it's basically a trade school. So like I'm literally diving deep, like in depth. I gotta bring my A game when it comes to this. And the cool thing about it is that all of the students are literally international. Like from a bunch of different countries, not even just Europe. They put us in a group chat and it was like, oh my God, where's everybody from? It was like Poland, India, Bolivia, wherever that is. Where else did they say? Hold up, I'm about to look. Germany, Brazil, Romania, Paris, the US, like literally from everywhere. So when I go there, I'm going to have some well-rounded individuals as friends, you know what I mean? Like that also excites me because once you cultivate that great friendship, you can honestly go anywhere in the world. Okay, period. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. I leave in September and it's July now, which is like really close. Like this all happened like really fast. And like even the whole visa situation, it's a lot. Like I respect to immigrants everywhere. It's a lot. It's a lot of paperwork. It's a lot of everything and it just takes a long time to get stuff done. And I get it now. I get it now. No, I haven't really done this whole like moving to another country thing. I don't really know anybody who's done that either. So this is pretty big for me. How did I get this opportunity slash like process? So after graduating Bowie, I took like a 3-month hiatus and just doing absolutely nothing. I just had that luxury of just doing absolutely nothing. And I got bored. I mean, I was still sewing and making stuff, but making videos, it's not for the weak. You can sit there and record all day, but editing, crazy. And I'm like, okay, I need something new. Like, am I gonna get a job? Da, da, da. But there's no like real careers in Maryland. I don't want to stay here. Like, I need to go somewhere. I've always wanted to go abroad. It didn't really matter where, but I always wanted to leave the country. And so I looked up study abroad stuff. Like when you want to do something, you just look it up. So this one school got back to me. I was like, oh, this is nice. I like this. The curriculum's in English. Obviously, I don't speak Italian. I'm learning though. I'm learning though. Give me about a year, right? The process was just like, okay, so what do I need to apply? I had to make sure I had a passport, a valid passport for at least 3 months after I'll be there, I needed to prove that I graduated from undergrad. So I sent them that, a portfolio. I had to send them my portfolio and an interest letter saying, why do you want to go to the school? So I sent them all that. The next day, congratulations, you're accepted. I said, oh my gosh, what? This is crazy. No, like, it's actually really crazy because I didn't even, I thought it was going to take some time, but it was literally the next day. And so by the time I woke up, they like had been sent it. Like, we got plenty of time to look over this. Like, that was just really cool. Got accepted, had to pay the enrollment fee and did that. And then they sent me all this stuff to get my visa. I said, oh, all of this paperwork. Oh, we love to see it, which was a lot. Here we are, and we're gonna be moving soon. Yay! So, Johnson, how long are you gonna be there? The master's program is like 2 years long. I technically start in January, but they have like this preparatory program for new students for 14 weeks. And we just go in early, like in September. They basically have us do a bunch of research and just making sure we get assimilated into society well before the classes even start, which I think is great. I said, oh, September, let me leave now. Like, why wait? Like, just go. It's just all happening really fast, but I'm so excited. And I'm planning my send off now. So, like, I'm excited for that too. So, close friends and family, y'all better come see me off, okay? Okay, so in lieu of me moving, leaving the country, I got a lot of stuff. There's nothing minimal about Jocelyn. There's nothing minimal about me. I just have a lot of stuff. And I also make a lot of stuff too. So all this stuff you see here, yeah, yeah, I've had it for a while and I'm ready to just let it go. So I am giving away a lot of stuff, which I got to do. If you want some stuff, if you want some JRenee stuff, because you never know how much it's gonna appreciate in the future, and if it don't appreciate, hey, you got something handmade from your girl. You know what I mean? I'm giving it away for the free ski. All you gotta do is pay for shipping. First, follow me on Instagram, JRenee.designs underscore JRenee.designs_, and or my Depop page, which is JRenee DIY. I'm gonna put them right here so I don't get them. But if you see anything on there, if you see anything on any of those pages, like DM me, message me, and I'm literally just gonna send it to you. But you have to pay for shipping. That's the only thing. Like, that's the only thing. I literally have a business, so I will send it to you. I'm not like, I literally have a business. I pay taxes. I'm not gonna keep your money. Trust. Like, I just want it to go. I need to make room for a lot more things, and I just don't want to leave my parents with all this stuff. Like, give her your stuff, girl. I'm okay to part with it, and I want you guys to have it. I want y'all to have a piece of JRenee. So DM me. I'm not making anything new, but from the stuff I already have, I got you. Just pay for shipping. And if you don't want to pay for shipping, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Come get it. No, don't come get it. But yeah, you know what I mean? So on another note, my content will be changing a lot. I'm going to fashion school for the first couple months. I doubt I'll be sewing stuff, which is okay. I might, I don't know. But my content is going to be changing a little bit. I'm literally traveling, so I might have a lot more vlogs, like travel vlogs, but the core of JRenee DIY, you can do it yourself. It's still going to be fashions, but I want to take y'all on my journey to another foreign place. I just want y'all to come with me on this journey. So remember to hit that subscribe button if you didn't do it earlier, like I asked you to, because I'm so excited for this and I just want to share with you guys. And I really thank you guys for supporting me. I know I'm not the most consistent person on YouTube, but I miss YouTube. Like, YouTube really held me down. Like, always great comments all the time. Like, I love y'all when y'all do see me. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm super excited. So thank you guys for watching. And if y'all have any questions, please leave them in the chat below. I might do another video of like other questions that people have, and I'm so willing to answer them. Yeah, this is the first of many just talking to you guys. I don't do that. I literally just sew and stay behind the camera. This is a part of a new chapter. And I'm ready to turn the page. Okay, thank you. So thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.